What's up, guys? So today I got a package from Injuku Racing. I ordered this because my fuel pump took a shit on me, so I ordered the ISR one. So it came in the other day, but I just haven't had a time to go ahead and put it on. Just some leftover paper. But yeah, it's right here. Here's the fuel pump. And then it came with like a little sticker, ISR sticker. Cool. But yeah, so like my fuel pump took a shit on me the other day, and it literally left me stranded on a street that's under construction, and it's a 2-lane street right now. So like I literally couldn't go right because there was nothing to like get into right, and then if I went left, it was incoming traffic, and then there was cars behind me. But so I had to get out and push, and then luckily some guys got out their cars and helped me push. But yeah, the fuel pump took a shit, so I ordered the ISR one. Let's see what's inside. Looks like we got the wire, the harness, the little cap. Looks like a lock ring right there. Let's see. And then we got the actual fuel pump right here. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Okay, so here's the actual fuel pump. Pretty small. And it has like the ISR logo right here. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's pretty self-explanatory. Like the harness just clicks in here, the line, and then just this is probably for the filter, I'm guessing. So yeah, here's the pump. Alright, so looks like this is just a rubber boot that most likely goes on here. We got the harness. Looks like we're gonna have to splice into it. Looks like it's right here. What else we got? We got the filter, and then the filter comes with like a little lock ring. We got the bottom of the boot, because I know this is gonna go like in here. And then we got 2 hose clamps, and then a line. What I've seen is that some people go ahead and cut this line by like an inch, just so like it makes it easier to like get it in. But yeah, looks like it's pretty self-explanatory. Gonna try and see. Okay, so putting the lock ring in was a little harder than what I thought. But I got it in there. What I ended up using was using one of these, just like a socket or something, and then just pushing it in made it a little more easier. But yeah, so take out the cap, put the rubber piece on, and then put the filter on, and then put the lock ring in there. And so far, here it is. Let me just continue going. There's a lot of extra piece right here, so I might just cut it. Okay, so I cut it. Not the prettiest cut, but I mean, it works. So here's the next step. Now let's connect the harness. Okay, so fuel pump is in the back rear of the hatch, in case you didn't know. So before you start taking anything out, you want to take off the piece that goes right here, which would be this. It's just 2 Phillips screws, and then you just disconnect the connector. And then for these, it's 10 mils or Phillips screw also. I use the 10 mils, and then this should pop right off. And then now you just go ahead and take out all of these around it and then pull the lines, and then it should just pop right out. So I just pulled out the fuel pump and I just came to realize that it already has an ISR fuel pump also. Like, has a connector. It's literally what I just bought. So now I'm doubting myself, like whether it's not the fuel pump, maybe it's something else, maybe injectors. But I mean, I still don't hear the fuel pump like work when I turn on the ignition. So, but I mean, it's already here. So worst case scenario is I'm just gonna swap this one out and put in the new one I just bought and see what happens. But I mean, yeah, I mean, it's already like good. Like, they like soldered it over here and stuff. So yeah, yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. Just gonna take out this connector and put in the new one, and we should be good to go. Okay, so update. I was going to use the connector that was on it, but like I just didn't trust it anymore. I just didn't feel comfortable, so I took that off and I put in the new connector, and then just put that on. So it looks like the previous ones were on with this, and then I tried to just like tangle it together in electrically, and then put electrical tape on it, but it wasn't safe. It kept like coming off pretty easily, so I didn't trust it anymore. So what I went is I went and got some of these, and I just put it in, squished it nice and tight, and I put some electrical tape on it, and it looks like it's good to go now. But yeah, so now fingers crossed. I hope once I put everything back on, my car turns on. So we'll see. Alright, so I put it back in, I got that connected. I tightened down the bolts back here, except for these. I'll do that later. Well, let's just see if it fucking starts. Oh my god. Alright, let's see. Oh, I didn't hear if it cranked or not because of the seatbelt. Oh! Fuck! It did it again. So it's not the fuel pump. Fuck me, man. I don't know what the fuck it is then.